Hello everyone, in today's video, I will guide you step by step through the entire process, from signing up for Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, to trading futures, in a clear and easy to follow manner. If you register using the link provided below the video, you will receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees along with bonus rewards. Be sure to sign up through the link to enjoy these benefits. First, I will walk you through the Binance registration process. When you open Binance using the link below the video, the Binance registration page will appear. Here, you can see that a 20% trading fee discount and various bonus rewards are provided. Please create your account using an email address or a mobile phone number. Check the box to agree to the terms below. Then click Continue. Please select the image that matches the word on the left. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number, so please enter the verification code you received. Next, create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. If the inviter code input screen appears, please enter SPY222. By entering this code, you'll receive a 20% Binance fee discount bonus rewards. Therefore, I strongly recommend entering it before completing the registration process. Once you've done this, your account creation is complete. Next, we will move on to the identity verification process. To use deposit, withdrawal, and trading features on Binance, identity verification is required. Since this process includes facial verification, we'll continue on a mobile phone. Download the Binance app on your phone. Open the Binance app, and log in using the account you just created. You'll be taken directly to the identity verification screen. First, please select your nationality. I'll select India. And proceed with identity verification. Please choose one of the following documents you have. I'll select passport verification. Select Take pictures to photograph your passport. Then click Continue. Now, place the passport's photo page within the camera frame and capture the image. Make sure there is no glare or shadow. Next, we will proceed with facial verification. Please follow the on-screen instructions and complete each required step in order. The identity verification process is now complete. After about 1 hour of review, you'll see the status change to verified. Next, we will set up Google authentication. Please return to the PC screen. Click Account in the left menu. Then click Security. We'll set up security using the Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your email address or phone number. Please enter the code once you receive it. A QR code pop-up will then appear. Now, download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Google Authenticator app, click the button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Now click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator into the app code field. Your two-factor authentication setup has been successfully completed. Next, I will explain how to use peer-to-peer trading on Binance. First, click the wallet icon in the top right corner. As shown here, the Spot wallet is used for spot trading and for holding your primary assets. And the Futures wallet is dedicated to futures trading. First, click Spot. Then click Deposit in the top right corner. Then click Buy with USD peer-to-peer. Check the agreement box and click Start Trading. To buy crypto, select Buy. And then select USDT. Compared to BTC or USDT gives you the best rate overall. Here, choose the currency you wish to purchase and enter the desired amount. Then choose the payment method. You'll then see a list of advertisers below. I recommend trading with advertisers who have a large number of completed orders, high ratings, and a high completion rate. Click Buy USDT next to the advertiser you want to purchase from. Please carefully review the advertiser's terms before proceeding with the purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy, then click Buy USDT. You'll see the advertiser's name, bank ID, and QR code. Before making the payment, carefully review the seller's chat messages. Please proceed with the deposit using your selected method. Then return to Binance. Click Transferred, notify seller. Upload and send at least one up to 3 proof of payment to the seller. Check the agreement box below, and click Confirm. After a moment, tap the wallet icon in the top right corner, and select Spot. Then, you can check that your USDT has been deposited. Next, I will explain how to trade futures on Binance. To begin futures trading, you must first transfer your coins from the Spot wallet to the futures wallet. Click the Spot wallet, then click Transfer at the top right. Transfer from Fiat and Spot to USDM futures. Select the coin to transfer, enter the amount, and click Confirm. The coins will be successfully transferred to the futures wallet. Now, to begin futures trading, click Futures in the top menu. Select USDM futures. You will now see the futures trading interface. Click this button at the top left to select the coin you want to trade. In the menu on the right, you can configure futures trading settings in detail. Click this button to select margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin balance to open positions. Isolated uses only a portion of your margin to open positions. For beginners, I recommend the safer isolated mode. Click this button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Higher leverage can increase potential returns, but it also significantly raises the risk of liquidation. For beginners, I recommend trading more conservatively with leverage between 3x and 5x. Next, click this button to set the order type. A limit order allows you to place an order by setting your desired price. A market order places an order immediately at the best available market price. Below that, you can check the available margin. Here, you can set the trading price and quantity. Finally, select position direction. If you expect the price to rise, choose buy long. If you expect the price to fall, choose sell short. Click the positions button below, and you'll see your open position. Entry price is the average price of your position. Mark price represents the current market reference price. If the price reaches the liquidation price, the position will be closed automatically. P&L shows your current profit and loss. Click the pencil icon next to TPSL for position to set take profit and stop loss prices. Finally, to close your position, go to the Market Close All section, and select either Market or Limit to exit your position. You will then see that your position has been successfully closed. In today's video, I explained the entire process from signing up for Binance to trading futures in a clear and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Your subscriptions and likes greatly support the creation of my videos. Thank you for watching today.